In this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways that you can turn your book into passive income without using Amazon KDP. The first method is affiliate links. Affiliate links. Affiliate links are when you are paid to promote somebody else's product. So when somebody uses your link to purchase that product, you get a commission. It's very simple to be able to get an affiliate link and put it into your book. So that when somebody's reading your book, they can click on the link if it's an ebook, or they can type in the link if it's a physical copy book. And then if they purchase, you make a commission. There are a ton of different places where you can find affiliate links, but one of my favorites is Walmart because they have a lot of very expensive products. If you go to affiliates.walmart.com, you will learn all about their affiliate program. What I like about this is you get 1 to 4% of each sale that somebody purchases through your link. And so if you choose really high-end stuff, you're potentially making a pretty good amount of easy money. So let's say, for example, I write fitness books. So I could go over to Walmart and I could search treadmill. And I can find a treadmill that has an affiliate link. Look at this one. This one is $600. So in my book, I could go ahead and teach about, a workout to do on a treadmill, why it's so great. And then I would put my link to this treadmill in there and you would potentially get 1 to 4% of that. So it's just a really simple way to get set up. Just make sure you know the problem you solve, of course. Go on Walmart, sign up for the affiliate program, and find a high-end product that fits in with the framework you already teach in your book. And then you're going to put your affiliate link to that item within your chapter where you talk about whatever that problem is that you solve that has to do with that item. The second way to turn your book into passive income without using Amazon KDP is to drop ship products. Drop ship products. Drop shipping is when you are promoting somebody else's physical product, and when somebody purchases, you log into the drop shipper and you order that product printed and shipped to the customer. A lot of us are familiar with AliExpress or Alibaba. These are some of the most popular drop shipping platforms that you can use. And it's a great way to add additional income to your revenue as an author without really having to do anything except for order a product. Do you guys remember all the rave when Alibaba.com came out? I remember this was like drop shipping heaven. So Alibaba is an awesome international website. It basically connects overseas manufacturers to people all around the world. You can order one item at a time. Fun fact, a lot of people who sell on TikTok Shop fulfill their items through Alibaba and AliExpress. So yeah, it's a really great thing to do. Just keep in mind though, you do want to study this strategy, okay? I'm just very quickly going through this for you, but there are different strategies to doing this, like checking your vendors, checking your manufacturers, choosing the right shipping options, things like that, just to protect yourself. So make sure if you're going to do the strategy, look into this. But I just wanted to kind of give you a quick example. So let's keep with our fitness example. So I can search treadmill, machine for home. And you want to find something that's really, really nice that's sold a lot of pieces. This one has sold 75 and it's $91 each. But you need something that doesn't have any minimum. So this one's minimum order is $129, so we cannot do that. So let me just do treadmill. Okay, here we go. Here's a minimum order, just one piece. And this would cost me $387, up to $650 depending on the variable. So let's say it's $387. So for me, I'm drop shipping this, so I need to make sure I have margin on this. So I'd probably charge this for $500. And that would make me, what, $113 in profit. And then I'd have the client pay for the shipping. I like that they have 500 plus reviews. That's fantastic. So basically, you would list this for sale on your own website. You can actually use these exact pictures themselves. List it for sale on your own website. Put the link to purchase it inside of your book as you talk about why somebody needs to be using a treadmill, whatever problem that you solve. And then when somebody purchases on your website, you would log into Alibaba.com, order this piece, shipped directly to the customer. That's how you would do drop shipping. The third way to turn your book into passive income without using Amazon KDP is to sell digital product links in your book. Digital product links in your book. Adding digital products is such a simple thing to do because they cost $0 of an inventory and $0 to deliver to your customer. Now, in order to do this, you do need to list the book for sale on your own website because if you notice, Amazon, when you upload your book files through KDP, you can only upload the book files, right? You can't upload other types of digital products. So build your own websites and list those products for sale. And then when you write your book, put the actual links to your website in the book so people can purchase those digital products. So this is a digital product that I very quickly modified in Canva. And so I downloaded it as a PDF printable. And so let's say that I wrote a book about fitness again, and one of the chapters in the book talks about you have to create a schedule to, abide by your fitness goals. And so I say, hey, I'm going to give you this daily planner printable. You can purchase it on my website. So I just go into Canva, I make my printable, download it, and then you're going to build your website. You need to make sure the website that you build allows you to deliver digital products instantly. And that's why I'm so excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Hostiner. Hostiner is an incredible website builder that uses AI to very quickly build a website for you, and they automatically download those digital files, including your ebooks, by the way. What I love about Hostiner is they have the business website builder plan. You can create 50 websites on one plan. You can sell up to 1,000 products on your store. And my favorite part, you keep 100% of your profits because they have 0% transaction fees. They ain't like Amazon taking 50%. So to get started, go to hostiner.com/godlywoodgirl, scroll down and click choose plan under the business website builder. Any plan you select over 12 months gets you a free domain name. And then where it says have a coupon code, go ahead and type in coupon code GodlywoodGirl, click apply, and it'll take 10% off your entire hosting plan. When you're all finished filling out your details, you'll be taken to the website builder page. You're gonna let AI do this for you, my love. So I'll say, I write and sell fitness ebooks. That's it. You gotta tell them what to do. Click this upward arrow and you're gonna watch the AI build your website for you. And just like that, we have a fitness website. Look at that. And if you don't love it, just click edit idea, modify it, do it again. And just like that, you have a website. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. So go ahead and click continue. The first thing you're gonna do is add your digital product for sale. So I'm gonna click add product. And yes, you can sell physical books, digital ebooks, services, which we'll talk about, appointments, gift cards, print on demand. Like, listen, you can do all of this. So go ahead and do digital products. You're gonna go ahead and upload the first page of your digital products. Hostiner has a product description AI that will write your product description for you based off your front page, which I love so much. This is a digital product, so I'll probably do it as a $10 printable. And then what I love about Hostiner is it'll automatically deliver it for you. So you'll click upload products, upload your digital file, your digital products, click save, and now it is available for sale. So I'm just gonna delete these other products Hostiner created for me. Up top, click edit website. And if you scroll down, you will see your digital product right here. So all you need to do is go through and modify all of your website. Hostiners, click edit, click edit, click edit. For example, if I want to modify this, I just click in here, edit section. I can change this to my branded colors. It's time to get fit. Change my logo to text, fitness ebooks, edit section over here, edit section, and then in here, I'll just delete this image. Back here, I'll click edit section, image, replace image, free images, and fitness. This is great branding here. Ooh, I love this. I'm using this one. Gorgeous. I love that. I'll get rid of this button. I'll click this button, edit button, and you can go ahead and upload your ebook here too, so that you have your book available for sale right on your site. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. And then one of the things I love to do too is click add section, online store, single product. And now I have the whole book right here listed for sale. Isn't that gorgeous? I'll just modify this button by clicking edit section button and changing that fill color to my branded color. Scroll down. I don't need this section, so I'll delete that. And once you upload multiple products, keep this. I am going to keep this because we're going to upload other products in another section. I'm going to go ahead and keep this here, and then I'll just click in here, change this to my branded color again, and then just update this information. So fitness, ebooks, you update your contact info, all that good stuff. And when you're all done, you would just click save, preview, and you see how quickly we have a website going. You see how quick that was? So now what you would do is you would go in and you would get this product link, which is right up here, and you would add this to your ebook. So wherever in your chapter you talk about, using a printable planner, you say, by the way, I have a printable planner that you can get on my website. Go to, and then you would give them the link, and now they can come to your website and purchase that planner. So you're literally turning that book into multiple streams of income. The fourth way to turn your book into passive income without using Amazon KDP is to add print-on-demand products to your book. And print-on-demand products is what it sounds like. You don't have to carry in any inventory. Plus, you don't have to actually create the product yourself. When somebody purchases, you have the print-on-demand company print and ship that product to your customer. A great example of this are t-shirts. I love selling print-on-demand t-shirts. It's one of my favorite things to do. And so what you'll need to do is, again, create your own website, list your print-on-demand products on your own website, and then when somebody purchases within the link in your book, then the print-on-demand company will print and ship that product directly to your customer. What's really cool is that Hostioner actually partners with Printful, where you can do print on demand. So go to store, go to products, and then you're going to click up here where it says sell custom products. Click get started, and you're going to go ahead and add Printful login. And I want you to see what kind of stuff you can create. So I'm in the fitness niche, right? So I could do fitness t-shirts, I could do fitness backpacks and accessories. Look at this, like a Stanley cup right here. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many things you can do. You could do tote bags, you could do duffel bags. If you're a fiction author, you can do pins, you can do stickers, you can do patches. If you are somebody who is talking about, professionalism and career advancement, you can do shoes, you can do sandals, you can give them something to wear. If you're somebody who's in tech, you can do mouse pads, you can do computer bags. There's a ton of stuff here. And since Hostioner partners with Printful, you can just create those products, list them for sale right on your Hostioner website. And that's so cool. And now you're going to put that link inside of your book with whatever. So for example, if I have a chapter about wear cute fitness clothes that you feel inspired to go work out, I can create my own fitness collection on Hostioner and then take the link for each product, put it at the end of the chapter, say shop my fitness collection here. And again, you're turning it into another stream of income. The fifth way to turn your book into passive income without using Amazon KDP is to offer a coaching program. Coaching programs are such a great revenue opportunity for authors, especially when you write a book that solves a problem. Because there's a percentage of the population who's going to read your book, get the solution that you teach, and be able to apply it for themselves. But there's also a percentage who's going to want you to help them do it. Even on my YouTube channel, I teach authors how to build their own websites with AI, right? But I can't tell you how many emails I get from people asking me to help them do it. There's just always going to be a percentage that even though they learn it from you, they're going to want you to help them do it. And this is a great opportunity for you to make what's called back-end revenue as an author. Now, if you're an introvert like me, you probably don't want to offer a coaching service, and I get it. But this is why I want you to find a coach who can teach your framework for solving the problem, and then just have them pay you a referral fee for anybody who signs up to have them coach them with your link. You can list this coaching service for sale on your own website, or you can just get an affiliate link from the coach themselves, but it's a great way to add back-end revenue. You're going to go to products, click add products, and you'll see you can sell appointments, you can sell services. So this is how you can do coaching programs and your services. It's really cool. You just fill out either one of these that works for you, price it accordingly, and you're going to add that link to your book. As you can see, Hostioner is pretty much a one-stop shop for being able to monetize your book and turn it into multiple streams of income. So to get started, go to hostioner.com/godlywoodgirl. Use discount code godlywoodgirl at checkout to get 10% off your entire hosting plan. The sixth way to turn your book into passive income without using Amazon KDP is to offer premium services through an agency or consultant firm. Do you guys remember when I used to build sales funnels for authors? It was a service that I offered in 2019, I think it was, 2018, 2019, where I would help authors build their own sales funnels. Now, back then, it was much more difficult to build a sales funnel than it is now, okay? So I get why so many people purchased that service from me. But what I did was I wrote a book called How to Make a Sales Funnel That Earns Money While You Sleep. And then within that book, I promoted my sales funnel agency. I called it the Stephanie Rodnez Marketing Agency, where I would build your sales funnel for you and create 30 days of social media content to promote that funnel for you. I offered the service for $4,000 and I was booked and busy, all glory to Jesus. So if you are somebody who is a consultant or a service provider, leverage your book to pre-sell your services. If you don't want to offer services, I get it. Same thing as with the coaching program. Find somebody who does offer that service in your industry, whose work that you respect, right? Because you want to make sure that they reflect on you very well. And then just ask them to pay you a referral fee for whoever you send their way. And finally, the seventh way to turn your book into passive income without using Amazon KDP is to earn royalties through your book sales. Royalties are different from all the other revenue streams that I've explained to you because royalties are where you just get paid an out fee for selling something. And they're the best thing ever. And I think it's where the creator economy is going, honestly. So for example, when you look at Gary Vee with his partnership with Stan Store, that's not a commission-based partnership. At least I'm guessing here. That is a royalty-based partnership where Gary Vee is just taking money off the top. That is the best way to do this, okay? So in order to get paid royalties, typically you're going to have to partner with a tech company or some sort of creator. You'll have to negotiate what that royalty payment is and then use your book to promote that service. Now, of course, all this only works if you have written a book, right? So if you have not yet written a book that is a clear solution to a clear problem so that you can add these types of revenue streams right in your book, come join me in the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School. I show you how to do it step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodnez, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the Godlywood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. Don't forget to watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I'll show you how to build your own email list as an author so that you can never have to rely on an algorithm again and you have an audience to sell to. Go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com, and don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as an indie author. I can't wait to see you there.